Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in the Chamet app. Just open the app, wait a little bit, and then you will have to click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap on My Profile and here select My Avatar, tap on it and then tap this plus sign and you can either take a photo right now or choose one from the library. I will go with this one. Select an image, tap on the top right corner and confirm. Then you can adjust it a little bit and you can adjust it even more. I don't suggest it. I'm sure you are beautiful without it as well. So just tap this button in the bottom right corner and it will be reviewed. And then if it's alright, then it will be posted. That's basically it. I hope it helps.